I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 10th of September, getting set to a cruise into a weekend here, and we do have some weather changes coming up. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam images this morning at the somewhat insane hour of 5 o'clock. Downtown Fayette looking good. It's fair with temperatures mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s. That's the Inverness Skycam, overlooking what little traffic there is on Highway 280. That's the time you drive to work, is 5 o'clock, because there's nobody out there. Pretty much the same deal from Tuscaloosa, the Hugh Thomas Bridge, with very little traffic at 5 o'clock. And of course, that bridge connects Tuscaloosa and Northport. Here's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. Big, deep trough moving through the northern states, and that's going to help propel a cold front down this way over the weekend. And what's left of Hermine, the tropical storm, is still hanging around north of here. And it's still raining with that feature. Western Kentucky, the southern tip of Illinois. And again, some of that moisture will be entrained on this cold front coming in here. So there's definitely going to be an increase in the coverage of showers and storms by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Convective outlook today. Got a slight risk of severe weather for the heartland, places like Kansas City and Wichita. And tomorrow, just the low-end probabilities just north of here. Memphis back up towards Cincinnati with the incoming front. Here's the expected rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch for much of the state, with the heavier totals up north. And in the tropics, a couple of areas to watch. We've got Igor, the system in the eastern Atlantic, and a wave around the Windward Islands that is struggling a bit. There's the Caribbean. And you can see that wave that's moving into the far southeastern Caribbean this morning. No sign of any organization at this point. Models do want to track this. Most of them take it south of Hispaniola and right over Jamaica in a few days. And by golly, a number of the models ramp this up. Now, some of you can see the models are split into two camps. One keeps it weak and then ramps it up in about 4 or 5 days, while others bring it up to a hurricane sooner than that. We'll just watch it and see, but it's certainly there's a chance this could be a candidate to enter the Gulf next week. And now in the eastern Atlantic, there's Igor, around 30 west, and we've got a new wave coming off the coast of Africa that bears watching. There's the official track from the Hurricane Center, and almost all of the dynamic models recurve this off the east coast of the United States. That one does not seem to be a candidate to enter the Gulf of Mexico, even get close to it. This is the GFS, the OZ run at 1 o'clock today. High amplitude flow in the westerlies north of us. There's a big, deep trough coming out of the plain states, and down below that, a deep surface low is up in Canada with a trailing front and a secondary low over Kansas. Tomorrow, the front gets closer, and we should be wetter. Now, today, just a few isolated showers. Most high school football games tonight won't have rain. Now, tomorrow, yes, for the Alabama-Penn State game, take the rain gear. You might need that. No doubt there will be a pretty decent chance of a shower or storm during that game, and most places stand a pretty good chance of getting wet a time or two tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, maybe even a strong storm or two. And then Sunday, the GFS beginning to be a pretty good agreement here with each run that we will be in drier air. So for Sunday, we've dropped the chance of rain partly to mostly sunny. Humidity values start to come down. Showers will be confined to the southern part of the state, and Monday should be a pretty nice day. And understand the air behind this front is not what I would call cool, but it's certainly drier. And Monday, the GFS has us down at 63, and no doubt the cooler spots will reach the 50s. And the high around 90, but again, the humidity will be low. Tuesday of next week, same thing, and that'll be the theme all week long. There's Wednesday, dry as a bone. Thursday, and a week from today, kind of the battle between the 588 ridge over the Gulf and a shortwave north of us, and pretty good-looking cold front there from Chicago down to Childress, Texas. And on the right, that's Igor in the Atlantic. Saturday, that front eases in here. That's the not tomorrow, but the 18th. So there's evidence another cold front could affect Alabama on September 18th with a chance of showers and storms. Igor is moving north, and we'll just kind of track this. There's the 20th. The 19th, and there's the 20th, and you can see Igor is kicking out to sea, recurving before reaching the United States mainland. Pretty good agreement with that. Still, it's a long way out there, but again, we'll watch that. Into the forecast on the 25th, look at the trough to the west, but we've still got ridging here. And if that's right, some pretty cool air drops down into the western states, but not here. It looks pretty uneventful on this run there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.